Sắp
Yes,
ra.
yes, yes. Mới tỏ đi.
Đúng rồi, yo.
Yes, 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 yes.
Cối lì, lù, hoàn thi. Oh, hey, watch out. Don't go too far. Người ta tỏ mù. Gì mong nữ dê đó. Hey, watch out, watch out.
Dude, I think he's cool.
Mong khổ bẹ tôi chờ.
Oh, that is a nice car.
Anh.
I'm beat solid, yo.
Mr. B, Mr. B. Yeah, Is this really a line though? This might be a line for something else.
I don't know. Well, how about we stand here and you go
Do you think so? How many? 11 kids? Aquarium?
No, you have a car.
The cat diaper showing.
Well, you know.
Oh, we gotta go. Oh.
Wow, Alicia. Hi, Leo.
You think so, like? See Paul? You see Paul? I haven't seen Paul yet. What? What? Project Hmong Children's Book.
Yeah.
This is where you buy a book?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. No. Yeah, no. What's up?
Good to see you.
So cute.
Say hi to Kaden.
Yeah. Look, it's Cadence, I like.
Yeah, we need a picture. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, right then.
Everybody. Yeah. Hey, con nhỏ nó cho nó bảo là sữa. Con bên nhà sao lại? Hey, con sữa nhỏ đắng ta. Okay, let's go. Go play. Go play. Hi.
The danger area.
Hey, easy. Yeah, share it though. Hey, come on. Yeah, oh hello. We just got.
Usually get a puzzle for Charlotte. Hey, let's take some pictures. What does he want? Oh yes, all right, let's take a picture. Just get these guys. Yeah. What do you have there, Dragon? Come on, Starlight. Come on, Mr. Tired. Judah, stop. Hey, get me. Straight. Eat up there. Oh, hey, fake it till you make it. That's not bad, Starlight. All right.
cheese.
Eat off day.
Alright, look up here.
Eat off day. Salad. Salad.
Alright, the cheese.
Good job. Oh, here we go. Day 2. You ready? You ready, Saleh? You ready, Daddy?
Yeah.
Day 2.
So my hair wet. The one last time we were here.
And you dressed how many children and you're a dance mom?
No, just one.
Oh,
My
you
boys
look
are gonna
gorgeous.
show up in like t-shirts maybe.
Oh, nice. I love it. There we go. Okay. Oh.
Hey, we walk into the new year. My birthday.
What's up?
Good, man. You're looking good. Where's that? I think she was over some food or something. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yo, back for the YouTube.
I'm a celebrity. Shake it up. I'm the celebrity.
Yeah.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
Okay, they're gonna check backpack on the way.
I don't know.
Mommy, can we get a phone, please?
Whoa, stop it.
This is Thailand. I want to.
Oh.
Oh, this is perfect. Yes. Do you know what this is for?
Making rice?
Well, it's for pounding the rice to make a
Yeah.
dessert.
Oh, gee. You ball. Oh, yeah. Red corn. No, take it
Oh,
off.
yeah. Don't worry. There'll be plenty of time. There's plenty of stuff
Num,
to buy.
num.
Did you bring money?
Helicopter,
Yeah. Can I get a picture of you
helicopter.
Whoa, dang.
Yeah.
Big money guy today. Oh, you know what that?
Hey, they said for display only. Do
Oh.
not touch.
Do not touch. Uh-oh.
Get out.
I saw plenty of people touching it yesterday. I'd like to say with this. Did you guys... I would say look at everything.
Come on, Salai.
Wait, these sell snow cones? Bet. These snow cones.
Yeah, but why she looks so ugly?
Hey, this is so cool.
Here, wait. We don't want to miss the girls dancing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll come back over. Yeah. Yes, I know. I think they're starting. We're gonna miss them.
Yeah, let's go. What? Okay.
Come watch them again.
Okay, let's follow mommy. Yeah, I can take one of you guys.
Wait, let me. She don't want me yet.
What?
She don't want me yet. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
These
1,
are...
2, 3. Okay, take us. Where's the bomb?
Tuja, in the middle, Tuja. Okay, that's good. This is not Hmong. Hey, don't push it hard. Push it slow. Hello.
Yo, it's Hmong New Year's. And I'm about to get down. Singing it. What? What's up, baby? What's up? Play area. Play shit. Like that. We're in Hmong. It's Hmong New Year's, bye. Wanna say anything, Shane?
What up, what up?
Wait. Say it again.
Bro. He's so... Alright, give him.
Food areas, toys areas and stuff. Uncles over there. A ball over there. Wait, what's that sport called again? Cornhole. Okay, cornhole over there. Toys, the rest, that. Bubble tea over there and stuff. A lot of food places are lined up right here. Area. See ya. There's a lot. Yeah. Hey. All this stuff right now. It's pretty nice here.
He was running around like crazy in
A
the
lot of stuff.
These right here are the coolest ever. Like I love, oh nice. I love these so much.
Yeah, back once again. Pretty nice over here. It's actually my first time being here. Oh, you want to say the last name before I shut it off?